In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later. Now, this usually means that your account, phone number, or IP address has hit Telegram's rate limit because of repeated failed logins, too many code requests, or other suspicious activity like joining an excessive amount of groups. So one of the most common and simple solutions is just to wait it out, because Telegram temporarily blocks you after a couple of attempts, and typically these blocks don't really last beyond 24 hours, so you just gotta go ahead and wait a day, and then afterwards you should be good to go. In some rare cases, it may take up to 2 to 3 days, but it is a pretty simple fix. All you gotta do is just wait it out. But keep in mind that the timer is automatic, so forcing logins during the block just resets the timer again. So you want to really avoid retrying constantly, because that is going to mark suspicious activity. And also, don't keep requesting codes or re-entering numbers, and each failed attempt extends the cooldown. And also, please check if your phone number is blocked from receiving code messages. Make sure your SIM card can receive MMS and calls. Also, switching between networks may help. So for example, go ahead and try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if that actually does make a difference, because sometimes that does play a factor. And what I recommend that you guys do is try to use Telegram on a desktop like a computer or on a laptop, because if the mobile app is blocked, sometimes logging in on the desktop will actually work after the cooldown. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.